Oh hey, welcome in. This is our new home. Not yet, but it will be. Day one. It's time to clean. And it's raining out.
Our Flarespace is here.
Really?
Yeah, dude.
Oh my god, this is perfect timing. We just got our first delivery package for one of the first things we're doing with the van build. So, stay tuned. All this stuff is gonna come out, but look, whatever this van was used for, I think delivery stuff, or like some business, like, look at this, just receipts in here. Maybe there's a dead animal, like, we don't know. Alright, first order of business, we're taking this metal hunk out of here because we don't have a full plan for our van build, but we want this to be like one fluid area, and plus this looks like scary. This looks like it's containing like a prisoner or something. While Jack's doing that, oh my god. This seatbelt is really dirty. Also, I don't love the orange, but what can you do? The seatbelt is disgusting, so I'm gonna use some carpet cleaner. That's what we're gonna try out.
Watch your toes, that's These Flarespaces just got delivered. We're gonna unbox them now.
We've heard some things about them being like damaged or incomplete sets, so we are very curious to see if we have everything in here.
Alright, first one looks good.
3 seal bonds. You get a little note here. For the love of vans. Alright, we're in the prepping phase still. Today's day 3. We didn't film yesterday because we were doing just like a bunch of research on what we want for like electrical system and all the stuff that we need to buy, and it was really daunting. But here we are, day 3. These people we bought the van from just like spray painted over the floor because it was rusted. So right now we're gonna sand the entire floor off. Jack's taking off these metal things so we can like prep the entire space. So yeah, pretty boring stuff, but it needs to be done. 90-degree day today, so we will be jumping in the pool. I'm already sweating.
Welcome back, everyone. It's day 4. We're now painting all this metal that we sanded to get the rust off yesterday. We're gonna paint it so it doesn't rust again.
It's not perfect, but
neither are you. Good morning, everyone. Today is a big day. Today is a very big day. We are installing flares onto our van, which involves cutting 2 massive holes in the side of our van and praying that we get it right. Here we go. We spent last night sanding this first coat down. We painted them a couple days ago.
Primed them.
And now we're gonna put on the white paint that's supposed to match the van.
That's really far.
Alright, what we're going to do now is we're going to drill holes in the van. This is probably the scariest, most intimidating part of the job. But you know, if we can do it, you can do it. There's nothing real special about us. We're just hanging out here getting it done. So let's go. Just so you guys know what we're dealing with here. It is super hot. What's that, UV7?
No, people need to take a look at you.
Why? I'm hot as shit.
I can't see the beads of sweat on my forehead.
Yeah.
Dude, I'm scared. Oh, maybe you should do it first time. You have to press really hard.
There you go.
Okay. The only thing holding this part of our van up right now is that tape. Frog tape, to be precise. So, let's make a hole in our van.
Okay, hold up. Hell yeah. Boom. We got our window out. This is our first time ever doing flares on a van. One piece of advice, I would use long jigsaw blades because they just seemed a little too short. They would come out and hit the metal, and now we have a few pop outs we need to fix, but otherwise.
You want to just vacuum this quick?
Yeah.
This is very Tosh and Jack of us. Our caulk gun just didn't work, so we just spread the glue with gloves, and we really gotta get this shit up. I feel like it's drying. I'm scared. Oh my god, the sweat in my glove. Look at that.
Ew. Keep that. We can sell that. This thing looks spectacular. Check this out, guys. This is the office for the day. Here's a little propaganda for you. So if you work for yourself or work on things for yourself, you kind of get to make your own rules. Next, you should buy a van, because guess what? Everyone is getting less and less money. Everyone is getting less and less able to buy a house. So what? You pay rent every month for an apartment. What happens at the end of your lease? Your rent goes up or you get kicked out. But let's just say hypothetically you have a vehicle that you can live in and you get a car payment on it because it's expensive and you want something nice. It's probably going to be less than rent. And guess what happens at the end of that car payment? You get to keep the car. You own the car. Just a thought.
It's been 30 hours, so now we're installing our half slider window up there, and then we're gonna see if it leaks. And it's supposed to rain tomorrow, so that'll see for us too. Watch this. Bam. We gotta water test it though. Look at this. This looks so sick.
Alright, it's been a couple days now. We let these flares sit so they could fully cure. And then we went to do a leak test where we just poured a shit ton of water on it. And this one was leaking. So what we did is we resealed it with like roof caulk and let that dry for a couple hours. We just water tested it again and it's perfectly fine. So that's completed. Just remember, you know, a lot of things, they might seem hard. It might seem challenging and daunting, but you can do it. Just do it. Like Nike said.
Boom.
And that's it. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.
Look at this. This looks so sick.